All right, welcome back. We are COMP308. That's Emerging Technologies in the winter 2019 semester at Centennial. We're week 5, part 1 of our broadcast. We're talking about Express.js CRUD. It's a terrible name, eh? CRUD. Create, read, update, and delete. But I wish it was something else. I wish you call it Druck, or something else, or Dirk. But I don't know. CRUD always sounds terrible, like crap. Feels like we're doing crap, not something cool. But this is Express.js is probably, I would say, a key skill that full stack developers need to understand how to use. We're going to get more into the meat of things. What I'd like you to do right now, because we're going to start with a kind of code demonstration, is I want you to pull up MongoDB, set it up as a server on the back end. And again, how we did that last time, I'm just going to stop this and restart it. I just going to kind of do this with the last group. Is you just go into a terminal window, a command prompt. If you're a Mac user, you go into terminal, and you just type in the word mongod or MongoD, however you want to see it. And if you press that, and if everything goes well, you restart the server, and you're on port 27017, right? So we're working locally again today. And then if we have time later on, we'll put it up on Heroku and all that kind of stuff. Also, from a project perspective, we ended off with project 4B, lesson 4B. Let us duplicate this. So I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to copy and paste this. It's going to take a bit of time. And when I'm finished copying and pasting this, we're going to do some changes. Again, I don't want to delete the .git folder this time around. What I want to do is remove the remote and place a new one in so we can keep our commits. I think that's kind of a thing that I've been doing lately. I think that's a better way of doing it. So again, this will be 5B. And you know what? What we're going to do is we're going to take a pause here. We're going to do a bit of a survey, and we're going to come back with part 2 when we actually do stuff. So come on. So what I want you to do is when you start setting this up, while Bhakti's setting up here, right? Go ahead, Bhakti. Hold on a second. I'm just recording. So is when you start off your lesson and you pull it into Visual Studio Code, a couple of things I want you to do is just pull it in and rename some of the stuff. So go into your package.json file and rename this from 4B to 5B and rename this for now, and then we'll stop recording and we'll get back into this part 2. I know it's not really exciting, but I'm glad that at least Bhakti's coming now so we don't get interrupted later. So it's kind of good. All right, so do that right now. We'll stop the recording right now. We'll come back and we'll do the next part, but first part is making a new project, okay? So we'll stop recording now.